Kindergartners, we are here for session 4 in our math. We are still doing some addition. We're putting things together to make a bigger number. Let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to tell you a word problem, a story, and I want you to decide which number sentence would match that story. There were 5 bears eating honey. 3 more bears came to the hive. How many bears are eating honey out of the beehive now? Can you find which number sentence would match? Did you choose 5 add 3 equals 8? Because that would be the correct number sentence. Let's do one more. There were 3 kids standing at the table. 3 kids were standing at the table. 4 more kids came over. So how many kids are at the table now? Find that number sentence that matches. Ooh, did you choose 3 add 4 equals 7? Nice job if you did. All right, you are going to now get out your workbook, boys and girls. And you are going to turn to the page that looks like this. So you should find it is page 419 in your workbook, 419. And we're going to do 2 problems. So the first problem we're going to do is we are going to show 8 add 1. 8 add 1. So Miss Martin is going to put up some circles. So let's do 8 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there is my 8. Now I'm going to do a square to show 1 square. So now I have 8 circles plus 1 square. How many does that equal? Let's count. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Nice job. So 8 add 1 equals 9. Can you make sure you wrote that problem down in your book? All right, boys and girls. Now we're going to do another problem. Now we're going to do 1 add 8. So now I'm going to do 1 circle. And how many squares will I need to do? Ooh, you're right. Help me count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 squares. Let's count and see how many we have. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Boys and girls, both of our answers equal 9. Now, if I look carefully at these problems, do they both have an 8 in them? They do. Do they both have a 1 in them? So the answer to both of them is going to be 9. So I can switch those numbers around and I'm still going to have the same answer. Nice job, boys and girls. Let's head to our next page. All right. Here we go. So we are going to be doing some more addition problems today, and we are going to look at the picture to help us solve. So the first problem is 7 add 2. So if I look up here at my picture, I have 7 fish and 2 more. Remember, I already know there are 7, so I don't have to count them. I can just go 7, 8, 9. There's my answer. Now look at this problem. We just switched those numbers around. So there's still 2 blue fish and 7 striped fish. So if 7 plus 2 equals 9, what is 2 plus 7 going to equal? Let's count them. Here we go. Ready? So we'll go 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So our answer is still 9. Nice job, boys and girls. I want you to find the answer to our next 2 problems, and then we'll come back and check. Did you get those problems answered? What did 5 plus 5 equal? Oh, I bet some of you just had to use mental math on that one, and you knew it was 10 without counting. Nice job. What did 6 plus 4 equal? Oh, you're right. It also equaled 10. Now, if I look at this picture, how many grayish rabbits did I have? Ooh, you're right. There were 5, and then there were still 5 black rabbits. So I still had the same problem. Nice job, boys and girls. Now, you are going to complete the next 2 workbook pages. So page, let me get it big so you guys can see me. Here we go. Page 421. Remember, use those pictures and use those problems where we know the numbers are switched around. You're also going to complete page 422. Now on this page, you have to look at the colored dots to complete your number sentence. Boys and girls, finish up those pages. Have someone take a picture and send it to either me or Mrs. Haig. We would love to see your awesome work. Bye.